In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eDreams Voucher. By the end, you'll know exactly where to enter your code and how to see the savings reflected before you pay. Start by opening the eDreams app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before you begin searching. Being signed in helps the app recognize your profile details and ensures the voucher field appears correctly during checkout. If you open the app and see a guest view, take a moment to log in so everything syncs properly. Next, search for your flight. Enter your departure and destination, select your travel dates, and choose the number of travelers. Take a quick look at the results and use filters like stops, times, and airlines if you need to narrow things down. When you find an option that suits your schedule and budget, select your flight to continue. After you've chosen the flight, proceed through the booking flow until you reach the payment page. This is where you'll see the full price breakdown, including base fare, taxes, and any additional services. Keep in mind that many vouchers apply to the base fare only, so don't be surprised if the discount doesn't cover taxes or add-ons. On the payment page, look for the area labeled Promo Code or Add Voucher. It may be a small checkbox or a link that expands a field. Tap to open it, then carefully enter your voucher code exactly as it appears. Watch out for extra spaces if you're pasting the code, and match any uppercase or lowercase letters to avoid validation errors. Once the code is in, select Apply or Validate. The app will process it and instantly update your total at checkout. You should see the discount reflected right away in the price summary. If you don't, double-check the code for typos, confirm the voucher's expiry date and terms, and make sure it's valid for your route, currency, and type of fare. Some vouchers are single-use, limited to certain destinations, or not stackable with other promotions. With the discount applied, review your details one more time, choose your payment method, and finish the booking. Confirm traveler names, baggage selections, and seat choices if applicable, then complete the purchase. That's all there is to it. Your voucher is applied instantly at checkout, and your final price should reflect the savings before you pay. Follow these steps each time you book with a valid eDreams voucher, and you'll consistently get your discount right where it counts.